our channel. In today's special video, we are going to tell you how nutritious peanuts are. Peanuts are known as poor man's almond as they are healthier than meat and eggs. Meat and eggs are a great source of protein. If someone is underweight or weak, he is suggested to have meat and eggs. But do you know peanuts have more protein than meat and eggs? It also has other nutrition. Peanuts are called as treasure of health. But you might not believe it, but peanuts are more powerful than meat and eggs. Peanuts are main source of vegetation protein. It contains more protein than meat and eggs and 7 times more protein than fruits. Consuming 100 grams of raw peanuts is equivalent to 1 glass of milk. Peanuts also improve digestion. It makes it better and faster. We get more protein in 250 grams of roasted peanuts than in 250 grams of chicken. Peanuts are filled with nutrition, vitamin, minerals and antioxidant. It converts bad cholesterol to good cholesterol. Peanuts contain more protein and energy than eggs. The protein we get is equivalent to milk and the fat we get is equivalent to ghee. Eating peanuts may protect you against heart diseases, cancers, degenerative nerve diseases, Alzheimer's disease and viral and fungal infections. The peanuts are a good source of minerals like zinc, copper, magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium, manganese and selenium. Consuming peanuts after meals makes your digestive system healthy. Weak people become strong. Peanuts are also helpful in respiratory disorders as they are warm. Just a handful of peanuts per day will give you enough recommended levels of protein, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Share this video with your family and friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.